discussed about ITL, and there is a picture. I will forward certain pictures also to you. Okay, on my desktop also I have a ITIL folder is there. Okay, so maybe I missed. Okay, so where is this ITL folder? Now first of all, go to I'm in desktop. This is the folder. Okay, this folder contains some information. See it is. This is a life cycles, internal life cycles of your 5 life cycles. This is a picture. Also, I'm sending to you guys. That is important. Okay. Now we don't have much time to explain each and every life cycle. Okay. So this is notes. It's like a very big PDF. It is and very useful PDF. Guys, when you are see a PDF or a notes or PPT, if you see that how many pages, so sorry, it is having 100 pages, 200 pages. So like, how can we read it? Of course, if it is like a book formats and does not contain a very thing, at least 10-20 pages are only given for a index only. So why you are worrying about total number of pages? Next, always go through once, like visually only. No need to read anything. Just go through like this. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. If you find anything useful for you or relevant for you, just take it and read it. If you understand, read it again. If you don't understand, go to next. That is the best formula, guys. Okay, it is a best formula. It is so business and IT. What is IT? Okay, IT is an organization. IT internal service provider, shared service unit, external service provider. So you can understand what is an IT organization. It is definition of information technology change with context. IT as an organization, okay, internal service provider, shared service units, external service providers. IT as a component, IT as a service. See it is IT as an asset. Okay, so these are all you can able to things. So it is an organization. Is a organization means it is a service provider. A service provider that part of same organization as its customers. Internal service providers. Okay, I'm maintaining my I sort of private cloud type. Okay, it means I have a infrastructure, I have a computers, I have a laptops, I have a network. Okay, I have a my application server like this. So I have everything. Okay, my customer is who is working in my organization only. In my organization only. That is a internal service provider. It means I required a mail communication. I required a mail communication, or maybe I required a my team's related problem is there. So I am asking my internal person means who is this is add sticky notes add thing. Where is the highlighter? It's okay. Yeah, this is highlighted. Okay, so internal service provider means, for example, I need a email ID, I need a VPN access, I need some information. I will ask my company's service desk people only. Okay, company people only. So that is internal service provider. My company providing service to me. Shared service unit. It's a service provider that caters more than one business. You know, to minimize cost and risk. Okay, so they will share with other businesses like a network sharing, security, scripting, like that's we can do it. External, like we are getting services from outside, right? Like a Gmail services, AWS services. These are all external services. Okay, part of internet services. Okay, IT as a component, IT as a service. IT may be shared category of service utilized by business or by business units, BUs. These services are typically IT application infrastructure that are packaged and offered by internal IT organization or by external service provider. IT costs are treated as a business expenses. I read it, but you can see what is the IT as a service, what is service outcomes, IT as an organization, what are there. Okay, so just go through like what is governance means, what is good practice, what is bad practice, what is service management. There are a lot of things are there. Yesterday we discussed about IT service management, what it is, IT service management. What are the life cycles? What is this? Yeah, it is a benefits. What is the life cycles? Okay, why it is each life cycle, what it is, each life cycle. So many are there, guys. Not required to read everything, each and every point. Okay, that's the point I'm trying to show you from here. Okay, so in a life cycle approach, what is the use of these life cycles? What is the use of these life cycles? Okay, what is the stages of this life cycles, phases, importance of life cycle? See, so it's a simple definition. So what is the service strategy? Defining strategy of IT service management and defining strategies for IT services that are being provided. The goal of service strategy is to specific strategy object that direct and develop policies and plans, allocate resources to achieve organizations and object. You know, if I told like this, people like the class, but they don't understand anything. Okay, if I use these words, the sentences, okay, people like the class, but they don't understand anything. So these are the direct definitions of a service strategy, guys. Understanding it is, it defines what is your work, what is your project, what is your service, what is the customer request. So that is we can understand by service strategy. So how to provide it. Okay, goal of service strategy is a specific strategic object, direct and develop the policies and plans. So what we have to do, what is your today's achievement, what is you want to do, what is you want to achieve, what is you want to what is the requirement came. So like that we can date. Okay, the best few examples are there. Some people told me like I should tell an example from IT field only. It is not like that, guys. I got this PDF from ITL APMG only. I got this one because I took a course 90 days of e-learning course. That's why I got this material. Okay, I have a recorded videos are there, but it is 14 GB recorded videos are there. Okay, I recorded it when I am taking the class. Okay, so that is very big size classes. So now I cannot able to do it. Okay, I got it classes from direct APMG only. He took a example is metro rail constructions. Metro constructions. Okay, so I will explain once what is service strategy. Then we'll go to the internal life cycles of this service. Okay, simple explanation I will do it. So later we'll concentrate on service operation. That is very important. Service operations and monitoring. Okay, service operation thing and monitoring thing is very important. So first of all, I will try to define all these things by one. I will tell one example first. For example, most of the people having an idea. Okay, most of the people having an idea about how to construct a building, right? Whether you are from civil engineer or not, but normally we know houses, right? Buildings, shopping malls, right? So my business is my business is construction business. First of all, I want to start a construction business, but or I'm already in a construction business. I'm already in a construction business. Next question is what you want to construct. Already I told guys, ITL is all about it is questioning only. All about it is questioning only. What you want to construct, what you want to build. Is your business is building a very big shopping malls or a very big towers? Okay, very big towers or small houses or small houses. Maybe it is only a very small, uh, what we can say, apartments, small houses, or a small apartment kind of stuff. Okay, or small houses, or only interior, only small bathrooms. Which type of business you are? That is a service strategy. That's a part of services. Define what is your business. Okay, defining what is your business. So in one title only we have a different things inside. Next, guys, understand that point? Service strategy point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, so you are stepping into construction business or you are already in the construction business. You are already there. Okay. Either way, now what is the strategy? So what is the strategy here? How much is user demand for your business? I said I will only build very big shopping malls, very big shopping like a Hyderabad Central or a Pune Central or a, PVR malls are there, no very big malls or D-Mart malls like that. D-Mart is not big one. Okay, it's a big in size, one single shop it is. Okay, not shopping mall it is. Okay, so I said always I will build like that. So what is the demanded? Where the demand? Where we can construct? Okay, so you have a plans, idea, things are there. Okay, so we should understand what is demand and where we get a money. Is the investors, is a banking investors, investor banking are there, or you have some like from the customer, like people will take an advance from the shops and all kind of stuff, or customers and start building it like a advance they will take it and start constructing it. How do you expenditure that money? What are the services are available? What are the how many floors are there? What are the other safety norms you have to take it? So entire planning you have to do it, whether you are doing for first time or you are already in the business. Okay, so depends upon what is your business. Based on that you have to require a plan for it. Next. Okay, so where we are in this one, yeah, we have a lot of points in the construction business. So we'll see it is financial management, service portfolio management, demand, strategy, business relationship management. Okay, so these things are a internal life cycles of service strategy. So we have to do all these things when you are defining your business. For example, there is a guy come and ask you, I want to build a one big apartment kind of stuff. Nowadays a lot of apartments are there, right? So he want an apartment with this kind of facilities. What he want? You want to build an apartment with some water facility or a rooftop, some facilities are required. Okay, and bottom shops are required like that. Whatever the point is, like his requirement. So what is his requirement? Take the requirement. Are you providing this service or not? Okay. Are you providing these services or not? So if this is providing, then what is the strategy? What is the plan? What is the land? What is the land? First of all, understand, right? What is the land availability? Is it possible to construct here? Okay. What are the possibilities are there? Okay. What is the type of land? How much land it is there? Okay, how much land it is there, how much budget it is there. you know I said I want a five-star building, and my budget is 10 lakh rupees. Is it possible? So you have to put only stores, but not actually building it is, right? No walls, nothing. It will be there. So maybe it is a wooden walls, five-star wooden things I have to create, right? Not with the cement and iron. Okay. So what is the budget? Is there? So this is about your service strategy. I thought I will explain these internal life cycles separately. No, no, I will go to this one only. Financial management. First of all, in a finance management, yes, first of all, understand the budget. Understand the budget. Usually I will tell one examples. Certain movies are there. One famous movie is called in a Telugu movie that is called Orange. Okay, movie name is Orange. So I heard this story. I don't exactly know about that one, but I heard the story. It is so it's a budget for that movie is it's a less than 40 crores, but it is not planned properly. It has become more than 80 crores. The movie is not make at that market because of this movie made in some foreign country like maybe America or Australia, I don't know. Okay, they made in a different country. That's not at all belongs to India. Like Hindi movies. Hindi movies is generally what are they take all the cameras go to some country, right? So similarly, it is also love story type. So means not a action movie, not like a regular South Indian movie. It is. Okay, it's just simply like it is a kind of love story in a little different way. So it is a war budgeted movie is not making it a place. So there is a face lot of big issues in it. And also there is certain movies. There is a director called Krish. He's a director. He also made some Hindi movies also now. There is a new movie is coming. Okay, so this is the movie which is less budget, more profit movie it is. Okay. Initially they want to put only 10 to 15 crores, but it is um, blockbuster like a paisa vasool movie type. Okay. This is a Hindi movie, so half of this movie is directed by Krish because of the budget control. Okay, he control the budget. Okay, so money can. So that is like what I am trying to say is what is the estimated budget? Who will fund you? Who will fund you? Bank will give you a loan. Is any other things? How to expenditure on it? Based on your budget, of how much we can able to do it. So that is what is a financial management. Okay. Portfolio management. Service portfolio management. What is service portfolio management? You are a business, and what are the services you are providing from your organization? For example, you have a Savantis. Okay. Okay, our office location is changed. I have to check it again once again. Yeah, they told the location, but I don't understand. Okay, so this is our organization. So we can see what are the services we are providing. Okay, what are the services? Business solutions, soft solution, staffing solutions, sorry, industry solutions. Mainly important business is based on the SAP based businesses. Okay, different clients. Okay, these are the solutions and these are the industries. Okay, so SAP HANA customer experience, intelligence entertainment suite. So in a US, they have a theaters. So we are like book my show type applications are developing by Savantis, US based company, not in India. We have a supporting is there from India. We are developing, but it's a US base. Okay. So managed service support, industry solutions, mobility staffing solutions. Okay. So this is a New Jersey address. This is Exton. Okay. So this is a 70s. Industries, hospitals. So people are there. Go to Microsoft. Just Microsoft. Not required any subtitles. See what are the Microsoft services that are providing. See it is Microsoft Store. What are the products of Microsoft? What are the services of Microsoft? Development, documentation, learning, Azure. These are all businesses. Cloud, security, Azure, Dynamics. Okay, Office, Microsoft 365, advertising, industries, teams, something like a, they are giving Microsoft services. What are the Microsoft services? Operating system, starting with the Windows operating system, Windows desktop operating system, like a Windows 10, Windows Server operating system, Microsoft SQL Server, database servers, Microsoft SQL servers, Microsoft cloud services. Okay, of course, not only that one, SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager means applications. Okay, public application. Surface Pro, Surface Pro. Okay, Surface Pro. Cloud services like Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Azure Cloud. Okay, Azure Cloud. Okay, so Azure Cloud is also Microsoft services. To a private company or a publicly, there are providing like that. Each and every company has their own services profile. Now your who is a CEO? Who is CEO? Brian Humphreys. You must know that one. Okay. So how many number of employees? Okay. This information means where is the headquarters? New Jersey. Okay. When it is found, who founders? And ex-CEO is Francisco D'Souza. Founder is Kumar Mahadeva and Francisco D'Souza. Okay. And current one is Brian Humphreys. CEO is a Brian Humphreys, current CEO. Okay. And what are the revenue, last year revenue or before last year revenue kind of stuff? Also we should do it. Next. Cognizant, so you can see Cognizant company. What are the services are there? What are the services? Artificial intelligence services, application service and modernization, business process services, cloud enablement, core modernization, digital experience, digital strategy, and enterprise application service, enterprise services, industry platform, infrastructure service, intelligent process, quality engineering, security, software product engineering. If you go there, then you can see the subsets also. You can able to see what is the particular service and what are the companies are you like advertising kind of stuff. But thing is, important thing is what are the services are provided by your by organization. Okay, latest thinking. These are all there. The point of this one. So like that, you can go to one by one. Like you can go to Tech Mahindra. You can go to Wipro. Okay, like that. Like any company, you can go to any company, and we have to find what are the services are there are providing. You have to define these services we are providing. Some organizations not only a pure IT, so some are a mixed kind of stuff. Some are a different type of services they are providing. Like for example, mobile links like it's Geo having a different type of services are there. Okay, so like a telephone services means SIM card related services. What is the mobile services? Not telephone services, mobile services, internet services, TV services, TV, OTT media services. Okay, so like this, an organization either one service or a multiple services they are providing. You have to list out all these services in one place. That is called a service portfolio management. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is demand management. Next one is demand management. What is the demand? For example, I want to start a internet service. Okay, I want to start a internet service. In my area, in Visakhapatnam, my area, the buildings are constructed, and of course, there is keep going with that multiple buildings again and again. So there are buildings are coming upcoming. That time means 5 years back, not 4 years, 5 years back only, 5 6 years back. So there is started a lot of buildings, apartments are construction. I went to one guy, so Vodafone guy only. So I asked for an internet connection. So U broadband, they are providing U broadband. I asked, this is my area. In this area is a newborn area, so it is a better business opportunity for your organization. Better to start there, your internet services. Okay, so not only in a city, because a lot of people want internet services, and we don't have any internet service provider there. BSNL is asking money for putting a lines. If multiple people are applied for a business, then automatically we will take the internet, right? But problem is the guy is told I have to go and collect the information, how many people require internet service and all. I said put a one kiosk and put an advertisement. So how many are interested? So then automatically one day you do it. So otherwise I will cooperate with that one day. 2 days, just you can ask the people to are they interested or not. The guy is not done anything, but later, almost like after 1 month, ACT people came. Okay, ACT. ACT people came and put a one small kiosk there and started advertising. I went there. I asked the guy, I want internet connections. Even for that time, it is very difficult, but they given a connection. I'm using ACT from last 5 years in my home. Later, after a long time, then Geo is came. Geo came, ACT gone. Okay, but problem is we are using both the things because we don't trust any internet permanently. It's urgent works are there. No? Okay, so what happened here? So when internet came, then obviously people start taking ACT internet, and obviously lot of people thinking about better to have internet. That too in a Corona time, we are all online classes only. Everybody stay in home only, so everybody need a internet services. Demand increases. Earlier days, we have a Geo mobile phone, we have a mobile internet that is enough for us. But nowadays, what is required? We need a compulsory stable internet connections like ACT, Geo, Airtel, okay, U broadband, like this. We need a thing. So demand is may vary, depends upon the situations, but understand the demand. Demand increases. You have to understand: are you able to fulfill based on the demand or not? Are you able to fulfill based on the demand or not? So demand management is very important. It does not mean demand increases, I have to increase my business. If demand is fall down suddenly, then your business is completely down. So you have to manage the demand. So what is your capacity? How to improve your capacity to fulfill your demand? Fulfill your demand. Like that it is there. Very simple to understand. Women Horlicks, highly demanded product. When it is launched, it is, I think so, it is something around 80 rupees or 100 rupees dabba. One small dabba it is. Small means 100 grams or 200 grams dabba it is. It is a woman Horlicks, it is around 80 rupees or like that. Then it increased to normal dabba like 100 or 110 rupees. Then keep increasing because demand increases, price increasing. Okay. Earlier days we have only one or two products. One is a Horlicks, another is a Compline. Compline. Now we have a lot of products in the market. Demand is balanced. Whenever we want to buy a Horlicks, that dabba, so it is we have to buy in a black market. Black market. No, it's not, you can't go directly shop and buy Horlicks because it's a very, if you go to any doctor, if you say my child is weak, they so drink Horlicks 3 times a day. Okay, so it has become a very demand. Now it is lot of products are available. Even doctors are saying don't use Horlicks. Okay, so that's the point of demand in a multiple ways. What is the demand management? So what is the demand in the market? What is the requirement by people? How to balance the demand? How to improve your capacity to fulfill the demand? It does not mean you have to try to give 100% demand fulfilling. That is also not good. Okay. Strategy management. So yeah, of course, the strategy management is what is our business? What are the business we have to control? Some organizations will control the number of services in that one only. Even the demand of the business is increases, demand of the services are increases, multiple type of businesses are increases, they don't go, they will maintain the strategy. So keep the people to use this kind of stuff only. Okay, like that only they will do it. See this, so geo magic is happened, right? So earlier days 1 GB 28 days, 1 GB have to use for 28 days. Okay, cost is 254 rupees. Sometimes you off price also there with some kind of stuff. Now we are getting minimum 1 GB, right? Minimum 1 GB per day. Of course, that is also not enough. We are having a 2 GB per day also there. Okay, so then you have to unlimited. So here it is only data recharge. Again, you have to recharge for your voice calls and messages. But this is not only a data, we are getting unlimited voice, unlimited messages, unlimited data, everything we are getting with a simple single package. When Geo launch, so this is like a unlimited data, unlimited voice, unlimited messages kind of stuff. So then freely they are launched. Obviously these businesses are down. What Airtel and Vodafone do? They also started instead of giving freely, they put a charge. They wait for 3 months. Meanwhile, Geo users are increased. The internet speed is not more speed; it is stable speed. Okay, or usually less than earlier. And they are starting giving unlimited calls, free roaming, 1 GB per day or 2 GB per day. Okay, with 399 rupees. 399 rupees for 2 months or 3 months kind of stuff, right? Like that they started giving. So we people started using, okay, people who don't go to Zio, so people start using Airtel, Vodafone kind of stuff, they keep using. Now both Vodafone, Jio, everyone increase the price. Demand is stabilized, demand is balanced, then prices increased. So strategically they maintain. So that's what is the um, strategy now. What is happening to your business? If still Airtel is charging like this, 1 month 1 GB 254 rupees. If Airtel is charging like that, what happened? You know, something is happens in the history. Something is happened. Something was happened. Okay, that is the correct sentence, right? Something was happened. Something happened in history. So many days, so many years. Once upon a time, there is a Airtel. Now it is gone. So memories of Airtel will be there, right? Think if there are giving internet like this, and we can say we can think only there is a only mobile services is a Geo only, not Airtel. Okay, Airtel is there. Once upon a time, they given a very good services, so we have to put in a one burial ground down. Okay, this is the point of service strategy. Okay, understand market, behave according to it. Okay, next one is business relationship management. Once I finish the relationship management, guys, okay, I will give you a break. Okay, so don't worry, don't sleep. Business relationship management and service level management. There is two things are there: business relationship management and a service level management. You can see business relationship management, business relationship management, service level management. Service level management is under service design. What is this business relationship management? We'll come to be business relationship management, service level management. There is a one word called SLA and a next word called OLA, CU. CU. These three words are there. So I will give you a definition for that one. SLA, service level agreement. What is service level agreement? Guys, this is the service provider company. This is a customer or a client. Customer or a client or a user. I am giving SLA. SLA means it's a simple agreement. Simple agreement. What is SLA? Service level agreement. I said I am providing these services to you. These are the conditions. These are the services and these are the limitations of a service. For example, best example for a service providing understanding is internet service provider. Okay, so normally service provider, internet service providers are different. So this is a ISP, my internet service provider. Okay, my in a Pune we have an internet service provider. He said I will give you 50 no, his internet services 50 Mbps. In Pune we have a 50 Mbps and in a bracket it is always up to 50 Mbps. Okay, but he said I should get a 50 Mbps internet. Up to means it can be 40, it can be 30, it can be 20, possible, right? So I should get whatever it is up to 50 Mbps. Okay, 100% uptime, for example. So when I got a problem, so when internet is disconnected, some issue I got some issues. Internet is not connecting. Okay, client should get internet always, no disconnection. But I got a problem. I call back to the service center guy. Okay, sorry, service provider. I ask the service provider, I am not getting internet from last 1 hour. So service providers will verify about a complaint immediately. They have to react and start giving service again. There is a possibility, right? So not always 100% We can't say, but sometimes issues will be there, but issues will be solved and give the provide. So this is what in the SLA, for example, what is SLA, inside I have written, you will get a up to 50 Mbps per Mbps internet connection. Okay. Immediate solutions, 100% always connection is there. Okay. So when I got an issue, so immediately service provider should solve the problem. Okay. This is the monthly billing, no extra cost. So my monthly billing is 707. Even I'm not in the Pune, but I'm paying the amount 707. Okay. Okay. I'm paying every month this one. No extra cost. No extra data cost. Unlimited connection. So this is service level agreement. What is service level management? What is service level management? Service level management, make sure the customer is getting service or not. Customer is getting service or not. Okay, handling customer issues. Handling customer issues. What is a customer given a complaint? So customer said, I am not getting internet, or internet is very slow. Immediately respond to the customer complaint and solve immediately. Understand, guys? SLA, SLM. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Make sure customer is getting service or not. Customer is getting required support for the service or not. That is important in the service level management. I will tell one scenario, guys. That's why I am telling this story. Understand this scenario. Same internet connection only, but little different. The area is different. Service provider is different. My service provider is different. Like in our office, we have a U broadband. In a Pune office, you will use U broadband, which is now belongs to Vodafone. U broadband internet. Okay. So we have taken U broadband in a Pune office. Okay, in Pune office. So what happened? There is a metro construction is going on still. There are keep doing. So maximum by this year, inauguration is done. You may know there is a social media footage is going on. Narendra Modi pictures with a school student on Sunday with a school uniform. Do you remember that one? Pune metro inauguration. Okay. So Pune metro inauguration, Pune, that is on Sunday. Okay, so students means school students with uniform. And so people are, trolls, no, right? So on Sunday, why students are wearing school uniforms on Sunday? Sunday also school is going on like that. Okay, so it's a backfired. But the point is, the where he inauguration, that point is Garware College. Garware College. Okay, so beside that Garware College only, our Pune office is there. Okay, beside that one only. So if you want to get on in Pune through metro, so you have to get on at Garware College station only. So that's the point. Okay, so in that construction, so there is a disturbance in the lines. So we are unable to get internet. So once we are getting for 2 hours later, we don't get it and all kind of stuff. For a backup, we have taken Airtel also. For Airtel also, very good story is there, but this is U broadband. Like almost like more than 20 days. More than 20 days, we are not getting internet. We are not getting internet. So month completed, the guy came. So the U broadband people are asking, pay the bill. Bill payment will come now. So whether you are use it or not, you have to pay the bill. So our sir, Charan sir told the guy, why should we pay? We are not getting internet from last 1 month. Okay, more than 20-25 days we are not getting internet. Why should we pay the bill? If the guy said, sir, we have a connection. So you have a connection, but you have to provide a service. I don't mind about what are the reason you are telling. That's what I said. People want a quarter-inch drill, not a quarter-inch. People want a quarter-inch hole, not a quarter-inch drill. Means, what are the reason it is? Whether it is a metro or non-metro, whatever it is. Once service provider tell we provide a service, make sure that they should provide a service. Make sure that they should provide a service. That is called a SLM. But in this case, what happened? More than 20 days, we are not getting internet, but they came for a bill, right? So now we made a call, we called to the U broadband and said internet is we don't pay. We are not going to pay. Why? Because we are not getting internet more than 20-25 days. So the call is forwarded. Okay, the call is forward to the manager. Okay, the service customer care candidate forward the call to manager. So we told entire issue to the manager. Manager asked their engineers what happened. So they said these are in this particular location. So there are almost like a continuously 15 days continuous disconnection for a 15 days. 15 days completely they didn't get any internet. So the guy said, manager, no problem guy, no problem sir. Next 15 days you can use internet without paying any bill. Your bill after 15 days. Your bill will be after 15 days because as my monitoring, as in our monitor, you didn't get internet for a continuously for 15 days. So you don't need to pay the bill for next 15 days. Internet is active from today onwards. Internet will active from today onwards and next 15 days you don't need to pay any bill. After 15 days only you have to start paying the bill. So that is what business relationship management. In organization, you must provide a service according to service level agreement. That is called a service level management. Manage the services. Provide a service to the customer. When you are failed in a certain aspects, it will should be taken care by business relationship management. Okay, how to give free offers, how to give extra day. Even my internet connection is also a local internet connection, not a big one. So my internet service is also in Pune. So this is okay. So this is Gazan, India. So this is my internet connection in my in a Pune home. Okay. Sometimes for complete one day internet won't be there. What they do, they automatically they will send a message, one day free extra message, one day free internet, extra one day you will get internet. You pay the bill one day before. Okay, at least you pay the bill for 6 months. Okay, you will get extra 10 days. You pay the bill for 3 months, extra 5 days, like that. So they will give you offers. Okay, so December 31st, you will get a extra 2 days. You pay the bill before December 31st, right? Like that. So there is a lot of offers they will provide. Unlimited data speed, it is not there. Yeah, this is the money plus GST. You have to calculate the based on it. Free installation of router included. So these are all what we say business level management. So this is a service what they are saying and they should provide it. Offers and everything. If they are unable to pay, unable to provide, so then we have to change it. Yeah, here internet is very slow. So next we'll try to find one connection is there. So then we'll get a thing. So this is entirely Pune place. What is my place? I'm not here. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so this is the my connection. Okay, I'm not there for almost like 6 months continuously. Means I went there and came back. I stopped, right. Unlimited 50 Mbps. This is plus GST. It has become 107. Okay, status gold quarterly. So usually I will pay this amount plus GST 18%. Okay, this is so price increase is 300 rupees difference is there. Again GST means it is very high. 6 months annual. So when you go like this, so obviously the cost and offers, the things will be in a different. Okay, it is working good because the important is of internet services, the local guy must be good. Okay, the local management people is good, then obviously you will get a good connection. Second is if you got any problem, even I got if I go to Pune now, if I got any problem, so internet is not coming immediately. Anyway, every time that is the problem. So after 10 days or 15 days, I return to my home. Internet not working, so it is not working. So immediately I will send a message why your internet is not working. So he will check it within 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or half an hour. So I will get internet. Okay. So that is what we do. So direct private message only, not required to complaint raising also not required. Even if it is not solved by within half an hour or 1 hour, means maximum 15 minutes I will give that time. Even for a 1 hour also, it is not done by him. I will raise complaint only. Okay. And I raise the one complaint and I will wait for a 1 hour. Nothing changes. Then I will call. Okay. So this is your service strategy, guys. This is not a some very difficult subject. These are all things in our daily life only. That's why I told internet services, building constructions, hotel management, hotel. So in tiffin center, roadside dabba also tiffin center is also better examples. Okay, we can take from there and we can understand and we can able to think about it. Okay, how many people are alive? Have something, so don't get headache. Okay, so I will finish in the next part. I will finish these two things. Okay, these two things like a service design and service transition. In service operations, I will tell important things are I said no. What is service desk? Incident, problem, access, event, request fulfillment. These things I will tell. Okay, separately. This is very important. These terminologies are very important. So next part after break, I will explain these two things normally, just normally. This is we have to go with the PPT, means definitions we have to write and kind of stuff. Okay.